question.
Okay, sir, in the context of jihad being defined as a strife and struggle, did the Quran specifically state modus operandi that in defining jihad, if you go beyond this point, you are no longer doing jihad? That is one. Then secondly, is there anywhere in Quran where it is defined in heaven that there is sex, no, male and female? If there is, I would like to know the specific sections of the Quran. Thank you.
Brother asked the question, is there any specific verse in the Quran which says that beyond that there is no jihad? There are many verses, many. Like for example, Quran says that strive and struggle until there is no oppression and transgression. If the oppression is gone and yet you keep on fighting, it is wrong. In jihad, you cannot cut down trees, you cannot harm women, you cannot kill old men that have not come for the war. All these are rules laid down. So if you kill a woman in jihad who has not come to the battlefield, like many a time you go and you fight and you win the war and you kill the women, kill the children, kill the old men, that is haram in Islam. You cannot break down temples, you cannot break down monasteries. There are many rules and regulations. This is for qital. Qital means fighting. Qital is one of the forms of jihad. Jihad means to strive and struggle. Qital is one of the types of jihad that is called as fighting. There are many rules and regulations. And if they ask for peace, then you have to make peace. Like Quran says in Surah Tawbah chapter 9 verse number 5, in the battlefield, when the non-Muslims come, when the enemies come, fight them. But verse number 6 of Surah Tawbah chapter 9 says, but if they want peace, give it to them. Escort them to place of security. If the enemies in the battlefield want peace, don't just let them go. Escort them to a place of security so that they may hear the word of Allah. If they want peace and yet you fight, it is wrong. Regarding, does the Quran say that you will have sex in the heaven? In the heaven, the life will be different. The same question was asked to Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, in the Bible. When a woman marries a man, the husband dies, again she marries, again husband dies, again she marries. So she had 7 husbands. So someone asked Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, who will have her in heaven? So Jesus Christ says it will not be the same. Sex is there, but not the same way as what we know. It will be something better, something different. So Bible also says that, Quran also says that. It will not be the same as you and I think. What you and I think of a maiden, the maiden there will be much more better. Hope that answers the question.